Hi guys, this is Jessica and I'm about to unbox the Mixed Media Inspired subscription kit for July 2019. So when you open your box, you're going to see that everything comes wrapped nicely in this red tissue paper. The first thing you're going to see is this insert. Now on the insert it has a nice welcome message, a little bit from the owners of the company, and a description of all the products and things you could do with them. Also how to find them on social media. So the first product is the Dena Weekly Media mask and stencil set called Giant Funky Silhouettes. This comes with both the mask and the stencil, so it has a lot of variety and different things you can play with. And then also from Dena Weekly Media we have the Collage Words tissue set. And I think it comes with 5 or 10 designs, both in black and white. Next we have this really cool Aztec washi tape, because who doesn't love washi tape, right? And in every month in the kit there is a different button pin. Also when you first sign up you get an apron to keep all of your pins on. Or you could put them on a purse or a pillow or whatever. But this is the collectible pin for this month. And back to the box. So then the next thing we're going to look at is 2 different colors of embroidery floss. This is 6-strand embroidery floss, Egyptian cotton. Lots of fun things you can do with that too. And my most favorite product in this box is the gel press 3x5 printing plate. And that's everything that's in this box for the month. I'm really excited to get started with it and create some cool stuff to share with you guys. And I'd love to see your creations as well. Put it up on social media with hashtag MixedMediaInspired. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.